today I'm making slime. I know I've done it 2 times already. Today I'm with Asia. Hi. Because she came over. So yeah,
I think I got it all out.
we already were pouring the glue and then we are just like, oh wait, we should have made a YouTube video. And then yeah. So I'm pretty sure the glue's empty of mine.
Wow. Nope. Still going. Look how much glue is in it. Look.
Yeah, we just went to the dollar store and bought a bunch of glue. Well, we would have bought
Way
more, but we only had
Such a
$10.
pretty glitter. Yeah, you should have bought 20.
So we got 2 bottles of glue and gum. So, okay, when is this gonna be done? Okay, I think it's done. I looked inside and there's like nothing.
No, we're still going for mine. Okay, yeah, there's nothing in mine.
Okay, I'm done.
We're done.
With the glue. I'm gonna go upstairs and grab some.
Yeah. Emily. Hi guys, welcome back.
Ta-da, I'm back. So we have cherry lemonade activator.
It smells so good.
We have-
We got confetti activator, which looks really cool.
We have foam balls activator.
It smells so
And
good.
then we have another scent.
Apple,
Green apple.
which smells amazing too.
Does.
This one doesn't really smell that really good. Like that's what I'm gonna be using.
So I'm just gonna put in some cherry.
No, we're supposed to put the food coloring first.
Too bad. Oh, food coloring. And then I'm gonna put this. So like, yeah. I only have 2 colors.
What colors?
Pink and orange. So yeah.
Okay, make a Valentine's Day slime.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna put the color in first.
And I'm gonna add my confetti.
Oh, wow.
Okay. Now I gotta mix.
I need some.
What's the spit on? Oh my god.
Wait, why does that look so pretty? They can't see, but it just looks really pretty.
I think I need a couple more drops. Yours isn't really.
Yeah, I need to put more.
We need more chocolates.
Whoa, that's a lot. I'm doing like a
Oh,
big-
mine's hot pink.
Wow.
I don't really want hot pink. Oh wait, no, it's not.
It's okay.
Mine's already kind of forming into slime.
Is it a pretty color, guys? Like,
Okay, I think I like my color. Mine's like a baby pink.
Careful, this is put on your shirt.
And
wait, what does orange and pink make?
you mean yellow and pink?
Yeah, yellow and pink.
I don't know. I think it makes orange. So this is my light pink. Yeah, I'm making a Valentine's Day slime.
Same.
And so now I need some more confetti.
Okay, why does it look the perfect pink?
I'm just gonna add green apple. Okay.
I might add more on the way. I'm adding the cherry lemonade.
And wrap some salt and pepper on that. I hate
Now I'm adding some more confetti. So, because this confetti is activator. Okay, I added a lot, so I think this is good because I don't want to over-activate. Duh. Yeah, this should be good. Wow.
Well, and you're going to town.
Okay, let me. Oh my god, I need. That's just a perfect pink.
That is the perfect.
Damn it. I don't have any
What is that?
cloths.
I'll run downstairs and tell.
It's okay. Okay, now I'm gonna add some glitter.
Ooh, look at this. That's a pretty.
Then. Maybe light pink.
They're like almost the same exact color.
Okay, that's enough glitter. Now we need some stars. And that's enough stars.
I need glitter more.
I'm gonna add some darker stars. Keep. I'm done with that now.
Isn't that pretty color? Isn't that Emmy?
Yeah. Oh. I bet you ours is gonna be really similar. Okay, so here is mine
I'm not done yet.
so far. I'm gonna add some more activator. I'm gonna add some of these, just some. A couple.
See, it's starting to come along.
Add into this stuff. Okay, I have 3. Oh gosh,
That's a lot.
I only meant to add a little.
That one up there.
Okay, whoa.
Did you get like an Elmer's kit for like?
You need to test it for them over there. You need to test it for them over there. You never met with the heart.
Okay, I'm gonna try.
Isn't it starting coming together?
Treat them.
Yeah.
You need to treat
I think I need more activator.
Oh gosh. I'm just gonna play with a little bit. Like maybe
Like this is
a
not
little bit.
even. Okay, I'm
So this is how much I'm playing with
Do you,
right now.
are you still planning to open that cat? Because I work now on Saturday before I go.
You work on the tent? I've been told you about this.
Yeah, I know. What time is it at?
Been.
I can leave work.
Alright, so what are you stressing
What time?
about?
I'm not stressing about anything.
Well, you're trying to stress me out.
Okay.
What?
If there's no change of plans, why are we even?
There isn't a change of plans. Do you know what time you're
No,
planning to go?
there's no set time.
Alright. So it's super light.
Do you need me to pick it up?
This is literally just glue. Do you think I need more activator, Emmy?
Yeah.
Does she have your phone number?
So this should do the trick.
I'm gonna have to go to the store to get food for this cat.
You don't
Wait,
have
is this
to-
Elmer's?
you
Yeah,
don't
this
have to
is
get the cat, right?
That's true.
Please,
What?
please.
Please what?
We're making this overcomplicated thing.
We're
I'm asking you to literally just take 20 minutes out of your day and 20 days to help me out.
This is like you spent 10 minutes just doing this.
This is 20
Yeah, there's a
days. I
timer.
need 20 days ahead, I need 20 minutes of your time.
That's my color.
Yeah.
You're stressing me out like I'm putting you
Then
out.
this is mine.
I'm asking you for 20 minutes in 20 days.
Well,
Whatever you want, 15 days ago.
Okay, this is literally not even working. We need more activator.
I need all that weak stuff.
Okay, that should be good.
okay. I'm
Almost done.
need it. I still have more, but yeah. This is the size of my other slimes that I've been making. And I still have.
Okay, why won't... Okay, now it's coming together.
You also need to knead it so it's not so sticky. If you stir it, then so if I were you, I wouldn't add more activator because you don't want to over activate it. And so if it's like not all of it sticking to the spoon, but if most of it's sticking to the
No,
spoon,
I
that's
think
good.
we need more.
That's how mine feels.
Okay. I'm gonna do some glitter.
Yeah, I can just see my glitter.
I'm gonna do these red hearts.
Can you add some hearts in mine?
Maybe.
Yeah, you're not. No, you have to hold the. Oh, no, I can't.
I'm do sparkles at the end. Okay, are you sure this is good?
Maybe add a little bit more activator. Just add some confetti.
No. Okay, can I get like slimy on this?
There.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm gonna add some more into this kneaded powder. Okay, I even have more.
Yeah, it's okay.
Just knead it.
I'm just gonna grab a little bit.
Yeah, just grab a little bit. Don't grab all of it.
Yeah, more activator. I mean,
Oh my god!
why won't this work? Like what the heck?
This is a disaster.
I know. Like,
I sure hope you guys don't have that stuff all over my house.
No, we don't.
can you put me more activator?
Oh god. Sure. Okay, now.
Okay, that should do the trick. Yeah, it's working now.
See?
Yes.
Mommy, can you put my pants in the washing machine?
Yeah.
Don't ask why.
It probably won't come out, whatever it is. So,
It's slime.
food coloring,
It's working, guys.
it's not gonna come out. Leave them right there and I'll pick them up. Okay.
Doesn't come out, it's my fault. Good thing I have two pairs. Don't look at my, yeah. Anyways.
Ma'am, give me my shots. Wait, actually, this is actually kind of good. Okay, I didn't overactivate it. good Elmer slime.
Yeah. So
Beep, beep. Hey!
if you want to make slime, all you need is a Elmer slime kit, or you just need activator and glue.
Like the Elmer stuff works way better.
Yeah, the Elmer stuff. The Elmer stuff is like this. It comes in a kit with glue and activator and scent.
Like look at this. This is how you make the perfect slime.
And then you can use the stuff in there, and whenever it's done, just go to the dollar store or wherever,
If you like ran out.
or whatever is the closest store that sells glue. Go get glue, and then yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna play with the table.
Yeah.
That's mine.
Gosh.
Okay, wait.
I need to get all the slime off my bowl.
Oh my god, there's confetti. Get out.
Oh my god, now I want to do ASMR. We should try to make a bubble with yours. Oh my gosh, I still have food done. Need to mix.
Wait, why is this so good?
I don't know.
I thought it's not gonna work.
Here, let me just put the glue. Or, not the glue. Sorry.
Dean is just so interested right now.
Oh my gosh, mine feels so good.
Do you want some?
Yeah. Can I have a little bit more?
Oh.
We just added hearts because it's Valentine's Day soon, and it's Valentine's Day themed slime.
Okay, why is this so good? Like, hear this.
I feel like these could really make a bubble.
No, a little bit more stars. I mean hearts.
Okay.
Sloppy.
No, it's totally fine. I love this thing. That sounds so cool. Mine's like a cotton candy Valentine's.
Like, look at mine. It's like hot pink. Well, like, not really hot.
Like, mine's a baby pink.
Mine's like a hottish with like hearts in it. I don't know if you can see that. Oh my god. Bean is just literally so interested right now.
And Bean is my cat, if you
Guys
know.
don't even know.
Even though I've showed you him in some of my videos, maybe you're new.
I feel like it needs more hearts. I just want more hearts.
Mine is so not sticky.
Yeah.
But yeah, one thing with this activator and most activators is that you need to knead it before it will not be sticky. So like you saw how sticky Asia's was. Now look at hers. Show them.
Okay, wait. I need to show you the beautiful hearts on it that I just put in. It's so pretty. And like, look at this now. Mine was like literally so sticky, guys. Look
Yeah,
at
did
this.
you see that?
Did you see that? We're gonna do playbacks after. I wanna add all the hearts. I want more hearts.
You can't add all of it. Oh my god, is this the hearts?
Yeah.
Asia.
Sorry.
It's okay.
The red ones are so cute.
Dude, I'm gonna add some of this.
Wait, that one? I was gonna keep it like hearts. Because look how pretty that is. Like,
Ooh, that one's really nice. Dude, I was gonna touch it first.
sorry.
It's okay. Oh,
Emma, you're stealing my slime.
hello. Hey, don't touch me with your slimy hands. Hey. Sorry, we're having a slime fight.
I know. Wait. These more hearts? Ew, the rainbow.
Damn it.
Can I use a little bit more?
No.
Please.
I'm about to throw those hearts in the garbage, so no.
This is satisfying for it. Bean, you're so interested. I know you are. Is white like Valentine's Day-ish?
Hmm?
I feel like white is Valentine-y.
Yeah.
Like, I think it's gonna ruin it. I can always bring this back. Like,
Why does this look like bubblegum now?
I can always come back and like add it again.
Why does this now remind me of bubblegum?
No, Valentine's Day bubblegum.
Yeah.
Wait, what glitter did you add?
I added this one. And then hearts and stars. Who
Hey,
do you
look
like
at-
more?
Yeah, comment down below. This one.
Who won?
Look how cute it is. It's little
Or
hearts.
this one. It's really nice and pretty. It has a bunch of colors.
Don't. Should I add those, guys?
Like if you like mine, and share if you like Asia's.
Subscribe.
No, because what if they're already subscribed?
Well, new joiners. That was a lot. Shoot.
If you like Asia, subscribe or share. If you like mine, like
And
or comment. Or you can just comment below confetti or
Oh.
hearts.
No.
Hers is hearts. Oh wait, what do you want yours to be? Mine is confetti.
Mine is Valentine's. No, it's
No,
hearts. It's
confetti.
hearts.
Valentine's Day confetti.
This is
What's yours?
Valentine's Day hearts. It's called heart slime. Did you get it? Hearts.
Oh.
Cause like it has a little shimmer. I don't know if you guys can see that. But
You
look
should
really,
vote for mine.
look how pretty that is. Like look at all those like gems in it. Like so cute.
Look at, I'm in a heart.
No one wants to see.
Mine is so fun.
Don't want to overactivate it or it won't work.
Yeah, if you overactivate it, it will be stiff.
Very stiff.
And then it won't be able to stretch like this.
Like this.
Or like this. Ow!
Sorry.
You like what like Whoa.
We're just cleaning off the spoon. I feel like, don't you think it looks good, Em?
Yeah. That's gonna be all for this video today.
I think we did pretty good.
Hope y'all enjoy.